So today we're going to discuss about apply operator. So apply operator actually we have cross apply and outer apply. So uh, anyone any idea about this? No, right? Uh, first time you're hearing about this, right? Yeah, yeah. So it's just like an join. So if there is no straight joins available, suppose if you know primary key, foreign key, we know, then he can join, right? He can join and he will get some result. Either he can use inner or left join. Sometimes joins are not straightforward. Okay, even if you are not sure about the joins, that time you can use the supply, I mean cross apply and outer apply. So just see some example, then you'll come to know how where we can use. Okay, so apply you use. Second. Apply you use to join. Apply you use to join between two tables or two table expressions. Okay. The main difference between join and apply is apply operators. Yes, is so we already create table valued functions, right? Do you remember that? Table valued functions, scalar valued functions? We already created. Okay. Do you remember this? Okay. So main difference only join and apply operators. We use this apply button on table valued function mostly. Okay. Operator. One second. When you have what happen? Uh, okay. Okay. When a main difference between join and apply operator is when we have table valued functions. So we have left join and right side. So suppose if you have two tables, right? A and B. Okay, A table can be called as a left table and B can call this as a right table. Is that correct in normal terms? Guys, suppose if we table functions we can use on right side tables. Okay, right side table valid functions are right side table. Okay, valid functions. When you have table valued functions, you can use on right side and evaluate each and every row of left side table. Okay, it's nothing but guys, it's right side table. It will try to match with each and every card of left side. Okay, so now something when you use join and when you use cross apply, so that we can see some examples. Then we will come to know. Okay, join versus apply. Okay, so now we can see some example and we will see. So let me create a few tables, then we can see. Okay. Create. I'm just creating template table, guys, instead of saving in my DB. Okay, I'm just checking drop table. So I'm just taking as a L test, some means left hand, something like that. Okay, that is nothing but suppose if the table already there, it will drop. Okay, create table L test. I'm just taking two columns. Okay, ID teacher and name is okay. So I'm just creating table and I want to insert some data into this table. Insert into L test. Okay, L test values, right? So I'm just inserting my data like something all 1 comma 2 comma. Okay, I'm just instead of taking this one, I'm just taking a some values, guys, just for your understanding purpose. Then we can see some real-time examples. Okay, D and E. Okay, and if I take left table again, I need to join with some other table, right? I want to take one more table as for right table. So something like artist. So here I'm taking just one more column like reference ID. Okay, now you can see, and I want to insert some data. Insert into R test values some data like 1 comma 1 comma. Okay, comma some values I'm just putting. Okay, B something C 4 comma some 4 comma D, something like that, and comma 1 comma some F. Okay, so just see, now my table is ready and my data also ready. I'm just trying to, okay, insert data. Now just to try to check what is the data inside. Let's start from or test and control. Yeah, some data I have. Okay, before that, I want to give you syntax for this. Any idea how can you give that syntax? Any guesses? Okay, so something like putting. So select. Okay, you will select column list. Okay, column one, comma column two. Okay, from table one. Okay, then just apply cross apply, or and right side table or tab two or table value functions. Functions of column one, comma column two. Okay, as alias name. So nothing guys, so the general syntax like this. Okay, select a column list from any table and we want to where we need to apply the cross apply. Either it's a table or a table where function. Okay, this is the general syntax for this. Now we can see some example, then we'll come to know. Okay, so first we can see inner join, then we can see outer apply how it will look. Okay, select. Okay, from what is my table? L test as L. Okay, inner join. Huh, what is my other table? Right table, right? Artist. Or on. Yeah, what is the join between these two? R dot reference ID. Okay, equal to L dot ID, right? Isn't correct or not? So now I'm just taking uh, select L dot name, R dot name. Okay. Now just observe. This is a very basic example. See, you're getting some data right here. I just forgot about these names and all. Okay, but a join is matching or not with the IDs, whatever reference IDs we are putting. So ID with this one reference ID. So two with this one is not matching. Two with this one like this. Okay. See, in my first table, how many records are here? Five records, right? But in my second table, six records. What is my output here? Six records came. So guys, when I right six records came because from in right side table I have six records. That's why it's trying to match with each and every record and it's giving me six records, right? Okay. Until okay, inner join. You know right how inner join works. So I don't need to give you again. Yeah. Okay. Now we can just see how we can use that cross apply. Select same. Okay. Select. My table name is from test. Okay. Now you just observe guys. I'm just taking a L. Okay. Outer apply. Okay. So here, what I'm trying to do, I'm taking as a subquery. Okay. Inside subquery, just see. Select from R table or R test. Okay. Or where R dot reference ID equal to L dot ID. Correct? Alias name I'm putting something like R. So subquery how it will work, right? You know, right? What I'm trying to do here. Yeah. Inner query, what we can call it is a correlated query because it's a joining with outer query, right? So we can call it as a correlated subquery, right? Yep. So now what I'm trying to do here, I'm taking L dot name and R dot name and just observe this. See here. So did you see difference? Any difference here? See, whenever you use this inner join and outer apply, in inner join you are seeing how many records? Six records, right? Here, how many records you are seeing? Because it will check, yeah, because in my first table, E also there. Earlier, just match it till D. D in the sense maybe this one, right? Reference ID. I didn't put any five. There is no five here for reference ID. If you see here, anywhere five is there. No, right? That's why when I take Energy, it came six records. Now, when I took this one, outer apply, it came seven records because that is also coming here. So guys, any so nothing but outer apply it will as I told you it right table is try to join with each and every card of left table. Okay, so clear till here. I will tell you when we use when you are not use this one outer apply. Okay, we'll see some more one more example and we can see. Okay, so outer apply how it's work like a left join because I didn't inform the cross apply. Now if you see this cross apply, you will see both are same results. See, same results or not? Guys, see everything is same or not? So that's why yesterday I told you the cross apply is a very similar to inner join. The outer apply is a very similar to outer apply. Okay. Now you can see outer apply and I'm just taking a left join. Okay. And what I need to do, only need to change that cross to outer apply. Correct or not? So see same results or not? When you use a left join and outer apply is the same results. Then why you are not using joins and using cross apply? That is the question. Outer apply. Yeah, guys. So when it's working with left join or inner join, why do you use outer apply? I'm just asking. Just try something. Otherwise, I will tell you. Okay. Um, I think, guys. Suppose what you can say. Sometimes the joins are not familiar, as I already told you. So even though the joins are not familiar and it's not working, you need to get some data. Okay, like how can I say? In first table, I have maybe. Okay, let me tell you something. I will take one more example, then we'll come to see. Mm. So this example you try to understand, right? You able to, it's okay, right? Are you good with this example? Where do you use this apply? But I will give you overview on where do you use the outer apply. But this example you try to understand how it will similar with the inner join and outer join. Okay. So I'm going to add few points here. So instead of that, I'm just putting some. So guys, yeah, this is from Microsoft Docs. Just I'm copying pasting here. Oh, okay. It's not coming properly, right? Control Z. So I'll take involved. So this is actually main difference between cross apply and outer apply. If you see here, when you use, when you not use. So use cross apply when no easy join exists. As I told you, right? Where there is a joins are difficult. That time you can use this cross apply. When right table is the expression or table valued function, it's like a inner join since rows must exist in both tables or expression to SQL to return. I already told you, right? Just before I already this point added, I guess. Uh, when we have table valued function, we can use right side and evaluate. Hey guys, evaluate each and every row of left side table. Same thing, same thing, right? This one. And when not use this one. So the first table when to use and the second one when not use. If you can get the same results with an inner join, don't use cross apply. It is not clear and leaves the people scratching their heads. So clear? That's why I'm asking. Do you see any difference between these two examples? Okay, when you are getting same results, you should not use outer apply. Okay. So if you see this, if you can get the same results with an inner join, don't use cross apply. It is not clear and leaves people scratching their heads. Clear? And when to use this outer apply? Use outer apply when no is same thing. Right table same thing. As I told you, is act like a left join. Okay, need to exit the right side. Return results from the left side table. Okay. Same thing. When you not use, if you can get the same results when with a left outer join, do not use. Yeah, do not use outer apply for the reason mentioned above. So the example I just given for what is the difference between left join and outer apply? That's why I gave it. So when to use, when not use, you just mention this one. When to use. So I'm just adding this one so that. So actually, when you use, some string splits, we use some string splits in our previous example, right? Okay. So suppose I'll tell you once I complete this when to use, right? When not use also I will pull and okay. The main difference, guys, when you think that giants are not clear, so as we developer, first we need to check the giants are clear or not. If it's not clear, we know, right? So there is a no giant properly not exist, then definitely we'll go with the different solution, other solution. The other solution nothing but this one, okay? Suppose in same table I have values. Let me check this. Suppose if interviewer asks what is the main difference between, so they may ask what is the outer apply, I mean, what is the apply and the joins. Then simply you can say both are working the same, but when there is a no clear joins, then that time only we can use apply operators. Okay. So I hope you understand what is the main difference between cross apply and outer apply. So we will see some other examples, then we can close it out. So now I'm just creating one more table, then we can see. I have some table. Okay, create table, some contacts. Otherwise, I have some script. Let me copy paste here. So just see, I'm just creating one table like contacts. Insert into. Now my requirement is, guys, select select star from. So when I hit this, what I'm trying to see here, John Doe has how many phones? Two phones, and this one John Doe has also three phones. I want to split these phone numbers into each and every different rows. How can you do this, guys? So we know string split, right? So, but now you can see select from, yeah, select from contacts. Just observe. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do. So as I told you already, cross apply where we can use either is a table or table valued functions, right? It is we can use the table or table valued functions. Now you can see from context, I'm just applying cross apply. Okay. Uh, what is my function name here? String split, right? Okay. And what is, yeah, my column name is phones, right? If you see here, in context the phones only, right? My contact number. So phones, and what delimiter I can use? Comma only, right? Comma, right? Here. And this is used. Now you can tell me what columns I can take. First name, sorry, comma, last name, and value as phone. Okay. So nothing but wherever it's coming from in a string split. Now those columns I'm taking as a value. Okay. Now you can see now everything is a breaking into different row or not. So in interview questions they will ask, guys. So suppose if I have something like this, okay, how can you do this? Then just simply you can use this cross apply and you can extract the data in individual rows. Okay, is it easier or not? No. Yeah, yeah, because yeah, the first one is a two records, John, and John is something. So this is also actually I took from internet source because instead of creating and all, I know the subject, that's why, but I want to give you the how it will work. Interview question they will ask, I want to join, yeah, join with this what we call one column. I have the three records with a comma separated. How can I extract with a different? And I want to join with this some other table. For that, we can just use this one. Okay. You know, right? How can you join? Once this query is ready, yesterday I told you, right? Take one more sub query and you can join with this one. Okay. Is it clear? So something like that we can use. So we will see some more, one or two more examples, then we can close it here. Okay. So if you understand, it's okay. Let me give me one more example, then we can see. Hmm, okay. Thinking, guys. Oh, same guys. Even okay. Earlier we don't have string split. That's why we use XML nodes. Okay. Now we have they simplified some functions. Then they're using string split. So is it enough? I think. Let me see if I can give. Are you clear? Do you have any example for this or? So we can see some more examples, then we can close it out. Okay. Because even initially even I won't get right. That's why I'm just trying to get some any what do you call schemas. So I'm just taking some data. Just see how we can see. So just taking department and employee table. I want to fill some data these tables. Use sample. Let me see. Okay, department ID, employee ID references. I'm trying to execute this query. Foreign key employee reference into invalid. Okay, okay, let me create this as well. So now I have table like employee and select stuff from department, right? Yeah. So what is my reference ID here? So we already discussed earlier with one example reference ID. In that example is reference ID is for right table and ID is left table, right? So same way, what is my reference ID here? Department ID, right? Yes. Can we take this department ID, right? So now we can perform cross apply here. Then we can see. Okay, select from so department ID D. Okay, cross apply. Yeah, now you can tell me. Select star from employee where D dot department ID, right? E dot department ID equal to D dot Yes, data department ID or not, and putting a some alias name. Okay. Now I can take just start from department ID. Now you can tell me what will be the output for this. Let's see. How many departments are five, right? Now you can see how many it came. Six, because in the employee table, how many records are there? Employee table has six records, right? So in previous examples, we don't have one uh, fifth, five is not there in my reference table, right? But here I have already 1, 2, 3, and same values are in department also. That's why the six records also came here. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, and the records also coming from department table, right? Department, even though here is a 5, but in my employee table there are 6 records. When I applying this cross apply, it acts as like a inner join, right? So it's taking each department ID from 1 second. Yeah, from department ID to employee table, here to here. Okay, one is there, again two is there, three. Here three, two times is there. That's why sales coming as two times, right? Sales, correct? So even if I didn't inform anything here, select start from D, but your first name and last name also came from employee table, right? Did you see that? Did you notice that? Yes. I didn't inform anything here. I just taking a self start from D and applied a cross apply. So now you can tell me how it's working. A cross B, something like that. I mean, right? All rows from employee table and all rows from department table, because here is a two rows. Okay, and how many rows here? Five, right? The seven came, right? Here seven columns. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight also came. Okay, here six plus two, eight came, right? Guys, if you are not able to understand, please let me know. I will try to explain again. So now we can see inner join, then we will come to know. Okay, Control V. How can I take that inner join now here? Just remove inner join, apply E. I don't want this alias. Correct or not? So instead of where, I need to put on. Correct? See, same results came or not? So I think these all are more than enough. I think I can stop here. So we can see outer apply also same thing. Just if you just change that, you can see. Now you can tell me outer apply how many records it will come. So you know, like left chain. Yeah, now you can tell me. Uh, seven, eight records. Because six only are matching department IDs, and last two it automatically taking. In my employee table only. Yeah, in my employee table only, I have six records, even though six records, but department ID only one, two, three. The one, two, three is right. But when I use left join, it automatically fills the wherever is non-matching records from that table. So you know, right? A matching record from left table and a non-matching record from right table. So maybe vice versa. Now even if you use that cross apply to outer apply, same thing. So there is no difference. Mostly you are saying same thing. But when there is no joins, that time we can create a one table valued function. A table valued function we can use in outer apply. That also we can see one example, then we will close it out. Okay. So let's check. Uh, Product table, right? Check here. Product. Okay. Otherwise, you can close it here. Then we can see. So today, I believe we covered everything. So SQL is completely done. Okay. Outer apply. No, no, no. I want to take 1 week break. Then maybe 20th. So I'm planning to take both SSIS and SSRS simultaneously. So 1 hour, or half an hour, or something like that. Okay. Yesterday I given one. Yeah, tell. Yeah, go ahead.